Well, rain chances in the Tennessee Valley are expected to ramp up over the weekend and into next week. Meteorologist Clay Smith is standing by to break it all down. Clay?
Well, Leah, we are going to have those rain chances continuing to pop back up here across the Tennessee Valley. It's been a little more active this week. We've still had some areas that kind of missed out on some of the shower and storm activity, but that will begin to change as we move into your weekend. Now, as we take a look at your temperatures, again, our front straight right across North Alabama and North Georgia. So on the north side of the front, a little bit cooler. Places like Nashville in the 60s. On the south side of the front, it's a little bit warmer and more humid. So as we zoom in and take a look at what's going on here across the local 3 coverage area, 66 in Dayton. So our northern communities generally in the 60s, southern communities in the 70s, and our higher elevations also in the mid to upper 60s. Murphy, you're waking up to 65. The humidity bearable this morning, but as this front that we've been tracking starts to surge back north, we're going to start to see that humidity going up as we move into next week. Going to be very muggy, but the key is it's going to be a little bit cooler temperature wise, so the heat index not going to be soaring into the triple digits. Here's a look at your highs today: 85 in Athens, 81 in Blue Ridge, 86 in Dalton, 81 degrees in Altamont. Your next 7 days generally going to be in the mid to upper 80s. So our average high around this time of year, right around 90, 91 degrees. So we're going to be about 5 degrees below that each day, which of course is a nice change up from what we were dealing with for the first part of June into July. And for your temperature outlook, still favoring cooler than normal temperatures across much of the southeast, and that's all because of this active pattern we're going to see. When you have active weather, you get more cloud cover, which makes it harder for those temperatures to soar into the 90s. Now, taking a look at what's going on radar wise, just a couple showers to our southwest. We're dry here across the local 3 coverage area. So as you're heading out to work, no major issues out there on the roadways. Rain chances, however, go up once again during the afternoon and evening. I'm thinking after about 2 p.m. going to be our chance, especially into the late evening. So you might want to plan for that and download the Local 3 weather app. We're going to have some rain on the way for the weekend, so stay ahead of those radar trends and it'll help you plan as well. And it's free in the App Store. As we take a look at Futurecast, again, not a lot going on this morning, but as we get into the afternoon, notice by 1 o'clock we start to have those showers across North Georgia. I think the coverage likely highest across North Georgia. Everything going to be moving in from the south today by 4 p.m. Some of that activity moving into our Tennessee communities, continuing through the evening hours. We will have breaks and some of you may stay dry today, but I think we have a pretty good shot of everyone having at least a little bit of rain. And then by Saturday morning, continuing with the shower activity. And it looks like for your Saturday, once again, we start off mainly dry in the morning, but as we get into the afternoon, that good daytime heating, we get the instability and we're going to have some of those showers and storms popping up. So that's going to be the pattern into the weekend. We're going to have this front again surging back to the north, spilling in that moisture across the Tennessee Valley, and it looks like each afternoon and evening going to be our best chance of seeing some of those showers. And looking ahead over the next 7 days, still pretty good shot at widespread 2 to 4 inches from North Carolina down to the Gulf Coast, including the Tennessee Valley. Here locally, again, I'm still thinking over the next 6 to 7 days, some beneficial rain coming our way with higher amounts into North Georgia and parts of western North Carolina where we could exceed 4 to 5 inches. And again, it's going to be variable. Some areas may pick up a little more, some may pick up a little bit less, but it does look like everyone's going to get rain at some point over the next couple of days. As for today, highs of 87, mostly cloudy with showers and storms, especially this afternoon and evening. For tonight, a couple spotty storms overnight. Looks like lows of around 71. And then for your next 7 days, we're going to start to have temperatures kind of holding steady in the mid to upper 80s, so a little bit cooler, and then moving into your Saturday and Sunday, rain chances come back into play. So we will have the rain, Leah. I don't think it's going to completely wash out our weekend plans, but still something we have to consider.
Yeah, if it's going to rain, at least it's going to cool down a little bit.
Yeah, after those triple digits, I'm so happy for these 80s, honestly.
I agree. Well, thank you so much, Clay.